Get them to the wall. Get them to the wall.
I got LMG.
Push him on the
Stop
wall.
2v1ing, stop 2v1ing.
Yeah,
Listen,
leave
jump
it
here,
alone,
jump here, jump here. We're winning right now. Don't throw the bed.
Yeah, Echo, set the rally with you. Echo, set the rally with you.
Alright, yo, here's the major
Push it, group, push it, group, push.
Yo, guys, look east. Get behind him. Look east.
I'm punishing him, going crazy. Let's go.
Yo, get behind the back line. Get behind the back
Yeah,
line.
get in the back line. Get behind him. Get behind him. Go behind him. Yo, they're all missing passes. They're all missing
We're
passes.
winning. Listen, no one throws the bed.
Bro, they have Kevin 300 and Diamond. Please push.
Alright, both of them.
Wait, they're giving us space to push. They're giving us space. Take the space and keep going with it.
I got track. I got
Last
track.
space, last space. Keep making space. Make some space here. Go with it.
Let's go.
Up to the right. Up to the right.
Hard head.
Yo, turn around. I got 30.
Alright, watch speed. Watch speed. Yo, yeah, I'm good.
Our
Our backline is clear. Alright, we should push now. They're all working around.
Let's go jump kid as well. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, go. Up to right. Everyone keep at the right. Every guy like this right now.
Give me.
Yo, if you're at the right, get to the middle right now. Get to the middle.
We're winning so hard right now, Diamond. Let's go. Let's play with confidence. Let's go.
Okay, yeah. Yo, neither one is losing his time. Neither one's sitting in the
You heard the
deep.
man. Blacklight said no shun. Stop shunning. Hard.
Don't let them push. Yo, we need to push A before they push us later right
We're
now.
countering their push.
Dude, suicide focus.
Give me a
Wait, I need to eat.
Yo, inner
Alright, so let's push this group right now. Ready?
I like that.
Take a diamond and go to rally. Take a diamond and go to rally. Take a diamond and go to
Oh
rally.
my god.
so shit.
That's
He's
really.
getting whoa, hold W. Come on.
Oh my god, Demon Slayer red is not hitting me.
They're all wasting their time right now. Oh my god, they're potting a lot. They're potting a lot.
I got Kevin.
Yeah, he's ready. This is a dub right here. Like this.
I got you 1190.
Leo, listen.
Reform, watch out.
No, listen, we're too split right now. Let me talk. Get to your guy right now. Group here. We're way too split right now. Get to your guy. Pull you need to. Get to your guy.
Alright.
Promising. Look at Kevin in the
Yeah,
back check.
just
Wait,
go back.
diamond's to the rally now. Diamond's to the rally now.
I can't see the rally. Oh my god.
Just where's the fucking
Alright, now push it. Push you guys. Wait.
where's the stairs?
Yeah, we should go to
I got
second
trapping.
now.
I got trapping. Tapping whites on city if you see him.
I caught him. I'm hitting him back.
I'm coming.
Let Apple speak. Use your debuffs in 5 seconds and push. Let's go.
Alright, yo, let's push in 3. Listen, let me talk. We're pushing in 3, 2, 1. Push him behind them. Go behind
Oh my
them.
god, reform.
Overextend and go behind them. Overextend and go behind them now.
Me and Hayden.
Yo, Tommy, our focus is Thailand 6-9. Thailand 6-9.
I want to go on
Diamond's at the
trapping
rally.
now.
Yo, wait, actually, run through them and turn around. Run through them and turn
Reform,
around.
go on,
Try to angle back. What, there you go.
Reform, just go back to reform. I'll take
Yo,
it.
we gotta regroup.
running him,
I set the group right here.
Alright, yo, regroup, and we go. Let's go.
Listen, a lot of them are wasting their time in the back right now. They're not
Alright, yo,
doing
look
anything.
forward.
We're
Let's
winning
go.
main group a lot.
Yo,
The trapping white is running for his life.
Oh, yeah, more diamonds here. More diamonds at the start. Yeah, listen, we're winning the main group. We're pushing main group push starting in 3, 2, 1. Main group push. Go past the rally. Now. Pass the rally. Pass the rally. Go up past the rally. Let's go. Diamonds. Stop.
Demon Slayer just brought him in track, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. Take that way one thing.
I'm folding these kids, bro.
Yeah, no, these guys are folding.
I need some from
I'm taking
Play
20
aggressive.
Yo, survey 4
Yo, if they have raw pods, play aggressive. Listen, let me say something. If they have raw pods, go in their back line, make them turn.
How much is a lot?
A lot, like 2 rows, maybe. Like 10, more than 10. More than 10 pods. More than 10 pods.
Play aggro.
So if I have 16, is that a lot?
Yes, play behind them.
I don't have that much, so don't
Reform, play
ever.
behind them.
I need someone to drop, man.
Yo, Columbia, drop it on me.
I think trapping white.
No one else is good. No one else.
I have a row.
Two, no one else heard. You guys need to play behind them.
Listen, we're going past the stairs. You have to commit. 3, 2, 1.
Everyone go behind them, push them behind them, turn around. Go up behind them now.
Come to rally.
Up.
Alright, let's go.
Yo, Reform, I need you playing aggressive.
They're missing a lot.
No, guys, they're
Survey
folding.
court just. They're getting caught. Let's go. Push up.
Let's go.
This kid is fucking racing, man, dude.
I'm up to stage.
They're running.
They're running from us. Television diamonds here. Television diamonds. Everyone go up.
Potential's open for that.
Tunnel vision damage. Tunnel vision damage now. Tunnel vision damage now.
Focus diamond. Track. I hit him off the bot.
Tylen's low.
Potential zero.
No, I need damage here. I need damage at this side. Stop
Yo,
turning. Stop
regroup
turning.
and push. Listen, regroup and push. Let's go. You ready? Alright, jump kick. 3, 2,
Yo, I need damage to long pass. Go
Yo,
behind him now.
X25 is out, X25.
Alright, focus him. Yo, damage to long pass. Come here. You have long pass. Go behind him.
Look at him.
He's running.
Come here. Go behind him now. Come here.
Kids up now, only one. Run us low.
Give me plus, I'll go behind.
Now, I went time. Hey, listen, make it here. Let's push him right now. Ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Earn up. Jump there. Stay. Up the stairs.
I swear these kids are scared of me, bro.
Up the stairs. Jump up the stairs. Tunnel vision. Come on, call names. You got any name calling here? Damn,
Dude, zip.
Final push around. Give me that. 2, 1,
Go. I'm going now.
Let's go.
Final push up.
Cardinal pots.
Yo, I need damage playing aggressive. Play.
I agree on LMG.
Keep playing.
All out, bro. Look at them, they're all.
Out of pass. Play aggressive. Yo, Steven, come here.
They're all out.
I'm behind you.
Jump kick, come to rally.
Look at them, the honest speed.
Push now.
3, 2, 1, go.
Push now. Evan up. Jump.
All got no speed, bro.
Give me 3 nuts.
Yo, Ample, Thailand is out.
Oh my god, it's a joke. Don't stop.
No death.
Yo.